Lincoln Memorial Cent or Lincoln Penny. Okay, let's talk about the 2004 D mint mark, 2005 no mint mark, 1997 no mint mark. Okay, I have some information here for the most valuable. Okay, I will read the information. Information I got. Here we go. 2004D. 2004D penny value. The 2004 penny with a D mint mark was struck at the Denver Mint. Like its Billboard counterpart, the 2004D penny is another extremely common coin. This one boasts a mintage of 3,456,400,000 pieces or more than 3.4 billion with a B. So, if 20 pennies are so common, how much are they worth? Not much if they're worn. Circulated specimens are worth just their face value. However, uncirculated examples take 10 to 30 cents a piece, and the all-time record price for the 2004 penny was set in 2008 when a specimen rated MS69RD commanded a whopping $4,198. Hey, next information, 2005, no mint mark. Here's how much a 2005 penny without a mint mark is worth. Any 2005 Lincoln pennies without a mint mark that were spent as money and show signs of wear from circulation are worth only their face value. Those that haven't and remain in mint condition, also known as uncirculated, are typically worth 10 to 30 cents. The record price for the most valuable 2005 penny with no mint mark went to a specimen that was graded MS68 plus RD by Professional Coin Grading Service and sold for $1,950 in a 2018 sale. Okay, moving on to 1997. No mint mark, Lincoln Memorial Cent. 1997 penny value, no mint mark. The 1997 Lincoln penny from the Philadelphia Mint does not contain a little letter under the date, which is a common feature known as a mint mark. A lot of people are aware of errors in which a coin is missing its mint mark and therefore assume that all coins without mint marks are errors. But this isn't true with most Lincoln pennies. While no mint mark penny errors definitely exist, and 1997 Lincoln Cent defined without a mint mark merely signifies that it was made at the Philadelphia Mint and is therefore a normal coin. Having said that, there are a lot of 1997 Philadelphia pennies to go around, so the 1997 penny without a mint mark is certainly not a rare coin. The Philadelphia Mint struck 4,622,800,000 pennies in 1997 without a mint mark. Yes, you read that figure correctly. That's more than 4.6 billion with a B. So, it might make a little more sense when you find out that these common 1997 pennies are worth only their face value if worn. However, some 1997 pennies without mint mark really are worth more than just a penny. All uncirculated 1997 no mint mark pennies, those never used as money and show nowhere, are worth at least 10 to 30 cents each. The most valuable 1997 penny without a mint mark ever sold was graded MS69RD by Professional Coin Grading Service and took 6,360 $3,360 in a 2021 sale. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Bye for now and have a great day.